Hi, welcome to day 6 of building a coffee discovery app in public. It's my birthday today. Let's test the app and find the perfect cafe using the filter. Then, puntahan natin. Unfortunately, may sakit si Nicole, so celeb na lang muna mag-isa. Sometimes, things don't go the way we planned. But along the way, we find moments and little surprises, and maybe would lead us to something even better than we imagined.
Hey sir, happy birthday.
Hey, thank you. Let's test din pala the journal experience. So after verifying we're here, the menu will appear and one of our MVP, the universal reward system. Since wala pa, let's just skip for now. And journal your experience. Put the photo and review. Then it should show up sa journal profile and there you go. So technically everything is functional naman na. It's just that the UI UX is very crappy pa. We have the design already in Figma, but the problem is kung paano siya ma-apply or mag-code dun sa front end ng pinaka-app. So I don't have that expertise pa. So I've been talking with people pero baka may interested pa to like help or whatever. So yeah, let's see how it goes sa mga susunod na araw. So yeah, just keep on watching. Thank you so much and see you sa next days. Bye!